Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. It is Wednesday, February 15th at the close of New York. Let's pop open Micro Oil and just see what we have under the hood. So we opened inside the range from yesterday, below that close, which was around, I want to say, not that high, maybe around right here. Had initial move up, hit that HVA edge once, twice. It was rejected to go higher, and then the below 3 times there as well before it finally had that round trip and got to its close. But it was short lived and they came back down. So we are finishing net down for the day as opposed to where we were yesterday. As far as gold goes, we opened the gap down and we never made it back. That's the contract low. We've got a little bit of a gap here between the days. So that is a void of space. And it just, as you can see, went sideways for the entirety of that day. It had set in its range, that low. I'll clean this up, that low, and then the high, and you can just see they could not get out of it the whole day. But with that being said, we are finishing that down in gold as well. In terms of our equities, we opened in balance below the close, and it was a grind pretty much all day to get to the close. And you can see here we opened inside the range, and they just fought tooth and nail at these edges, and it was a slow day to say the least. Ultimately, they did get to the close and made some new highs, more so in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ led the charge today, that's for sure, meaning that they got to their close first, and they kept continuing that movement, that trend up. And as you scroll back here, you'll see that we opened inside the range, and then that close was right here, and they got it within that first 30 minutes or so, I would say. And then after that, once that happened, the markets just died. It was ridiculous how slow it got, but ultimately they did make new highs. You can see the response around these levels as well. Got outside the range from yesterday. You can see the tremendous response at these levels. Remember, these levels are drawn the night before the next day's trading activity, meaning that they are published for our students to put onto their respective charts so that they can trade that evening, or if they're, they prefer trading before the market opens, or if they just prefer trading the pit, or all three, they have that option as the levels are available to the students in the evening for them to put onto their charts. So with that said, we are closing net positive in the equities. If you are interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, or if you're interested in learning how to trade futures, reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. You don't have to be an experienced trader. You can be an experienced trader, but if you are interested, nonetheless, feel free to reach out to us. With the consultants that you'll talk with will be more than happy to show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.